The common package language was specifically designed for creating software packages. As an open language, it is subject to a continuous development process in order to always support the latest technologies and operating systems. Unlike other packaging languages that rely on scripting technologies, this language uses XML data files. This approach ensures complete independence from operating systems and architectures. In addition, the structure of the software packages enables a high level of transparency and makes it difficult to hide malware, which ensures increased security. So let's take a look inside an XML file. At the top of the file are 4 central sections: installation metadata, installation instructions, uninstallation instructions, and repair instructions. The metadata section requires the entry of specific description fields such as manufacturer, product, and version of the software, followed by the package type and the creation date. Specifying the uninstall key and optionally the path to the main application is particularly important for later integration into InTune or other distribution systems. In the installation section, the commands for installation are given in a sequential order from top to bottom. There are about 40 predefined commands that allow, among other things, copying and deleting files, creating registry data, and running applications with specific parameters. The section also supports logical branches as well as setting and querying variables. Our help pages are available for a comprehensive description of all commands. The uninstall section uses the same set of commands and is used when the software is removed. The repair section, on the other hand, defines the process for restoring the already installed software. These XML files can be created automatically using our package robot very easily and without any prior knowledge. If adjustments or additions are necessary, the file can then be edited manually. Our framework provides an XML editor that automatically makes suggestions and validates the file directly. To test the installation, you can start this file on a device with administrative rights. This will execute the install section. After a short time, the installation is finished and you can find the log files under C, Windows Debug. The easiest way is to sort by the most recent file. Every command was logged here, and the time also shows you how long it took for each step. To test the uninstallation, open a terminal and use the parameter type X. Please also watch our second video on packaging, in which we show you how to fix the most common errors.